It's true that you don't need the best camera to get into photography. So I went on OfferUp and I bought the cheapest camera I could find, which actually was really hard. If you're gonna buy used cameras, I would say always negotiate. I've seen too many cameras on Craigslist or OfferUp or whatever, and they're just super expensive. Like, they're way overpriced. Cameras do not hold their value that much. At the end of the day, it's an electronic. Alright, so I go to pick up the camera. First thing they say is, so the only thing is, and then it's like, alright, here we go. There's something wrong with the battery and that it doesn't turn on. But I played with it a little bit and I figured out that it wasn't the battery. The battery works fine. It's a little switch just having like an issue, and I got it to work. And I don't think that this would be everyone's experience if you go out and try to buy a camera like this for this price. You know, I just got unlucky, and like that's one of the risks with buying a used camera, is that you just never know where it's been, how it was treated. Something to keep in mind if you're only trying to spend under $100. This is a Canon 20D, came out in like 2004, 8 megapixels, super cheap, paid $60. It was like $1,500 when it came out, so my expectations weren't very high, but how did it do? It's crazy, I'm actually self-conscious about walking around with like a cheap camera. I feel like somebody will notice, but who cares, man? Like, that's a good thing. I'm glad I felt that way so that I can like check myself. It shouldn't matter what kind of camera you have. I mean, a camera is a camera. At least you're taking the step of making better pictures than they are with an iPhone. So don't be shy, just use the damn thing. So because a lot of these budget cameras come with an 18 to 55 or 16 to whatever, you can get really close to something that's really small and make it look big. Perfect, there's like a little sandcastle here, and I'm gonna try to make it look big in the frame just by getting close to it, waiting for someone to walk by. I think I got it. Just after sunset, everything starts to get blue and kind of like a cold temperature. Just everything looks great. There's no shadows, there's no harsh light. You can really point your camera anywhere and it'll look pretty awesome, kind of like this. So there you go, guys. It's totally possible to take your photos to the next level with a super cheap camera. Let me know in the comments what you thought about today's video. Subscribe for future videos. And if this has inspired anyone to take up photography and needs a camera, let me know in the comments. I'll send you this one because I definitely don't need it. Peace out. I literally risked my life for you, lady, to come get this camera. I risked my life to come get this camera. And it doesn't work. You